Hey everybody, today's video is a 1967 Roadrunner, and this is Bob, and he's the owner, and he's going to tell us all about it.
All right, as she just said, this is a 1967 Roadrunner camper made in Elizabethton, Tennessee. And they made these campers in Elizabethton for just a few years. I bought it from the heirs of a professor at King College who had passed away, and this camper had sat beside his house for 30-something years. The windows were broken out, or some of the windows were broken out. It had leaked badly. It needed a lot of repairs, and fortunately I had a good friend who does restorations on anything old and fixes anything and can do anything. But he took the camper, pretty much redesigned the inside of it, and as you can, if you want to come inside here, we'll show you. He rebuilt the cabinets. He took the gas stove out, and we replaced it with a microwave right here so you can do your cooking.
Oh, I thought that was a bathroom.
No,
Okay.
it was a bathroom, but we took the bathroom out, and because I would be going to campgrounds where we have bathhouses. And there's an ice box here. We replaced it with a refrigerator.
All right.
And the top part area had leaked in this corner particularly, so he put back what he could and fastened it in. And then he rebuilt this area and put strips of wood to hold the top up, and did the same back here. Redid the framework for the bed, put these little cabinets in, put this splash board back, made all kinds of cupboard space and handles and drawers and little fold down tables here on the side.
Let me get there and see
Yep.
that. Well, that's a good sized table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little place up here where you can put your stuff. He fixed all the lights, replaced the window. This was hanging down all back. That's a full-size bed.
And I love the little sleeping bag.
Yeah, that came from Walmart for $10.
$10.
Yeah, here we've got another bed.
Okay, hold on. Let me get around there. Okay.
And this tabletop comes off and attaches here, and you can make another full-size bed here. You got storage space in these bottom places. We've got more storage area here where you can put your
Big closet.
big closet.
Yeah.
And here we've got little chairs, little stadium chairs, 3 little stadium chairs. So if it's a rainy day and you're sitting in here, you push that table back.
What is
Push
this?
that bed. That's the fuse box.
Never saw one like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And he rewired it and fixed new terminal ends and put an extra one in. And of course you got storage space here. Drawer, storage space. Put your cooking stuff here. Of course we won't cook in it. We'll cook outside. But you still want to eat in here, and you could use this as a tabletop area.
Yeah, it's a good prep area.
Yeah. And
It's got
that's
a vent on the roof.
yeah, the vent was there, but he had to do some shoring up to fix it. But this,
And how long have you had it?
I've had it since at least September, October of 2020.
Okay, so not that long. A year, just a year.
Mm-hmm.
And how many times have you camped in it?
This is the maiden voyage right here.
Okay.
But it was when the professor there at King College had it. He took it out west and numerous places when his children were small before he passed away.
All right, well, thank you, Bob.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And I'm going to show the outside now.
All right.
I got the original step down there. So there's the front. This is called, is that called a cab over?
That's called a cab over. Other people call it by different, it's known by different names, but it's, in this particular case, it was called a cab over. Put the window air conditioner here in this little center, and it fit in almost perfectly. Of course, he shored it up to make it stronger.
Yep, so it won't fall out when you're going down the road.
Yeah, and it won't.
You got your fishing pole and bait.
Yeah. And then over here, we've got this neat little sign, which I need to repaste up. Makes people think when you're walking down, or when you're driving down the road, somebody sees you, that they'll hug their grandkid or their grandfather.
Yeah, good idea. I like that. That's the first thing I noticed when you came in here.
Yeah. And this was the original, this goes to the original wiring that was in the wall, or in the walls. And Jimmy wasn't sure about the quality of that. So if anything goes wrong and it blows out or trips the fuse in there, we've got, he put in an extra wiring which runs on the outside to other things. So if the inside portion goes out, you've still got lights and you've still got ability to do things.
Okay.
And then,
that's a good safety feature.
Yeah.
What kind of wheels you got on there? What are those rims?
Those are 13-inch wheels and tires, and those are 1960 spinner hubcaps off of a Plymouth or a Dodge, I think.
Okay,
they're
everybody.
not off of it, but they're modeled after it.
Right. All right, everybody, give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you, Bob.
Well, thank you. Yep.
Bye,
Appreciate it.
everybody.
Yep.